Namaste, welcome yogis. Today I'm going to take you through a very simple guided meditation to celebrate the winter solstice. So if you are in the northern hemisphere like I am, the winter solstice is a bit of a paradox because it marks the longest night of the year, so the night of the year where we have the most darkness, but it also marks the beginning of the return of light. So as we move on over the next few weeks and the next few months, we're going to get a little bit more daytime, a little bit more light throughout the days. So it's an important pivotal point of transition where we want to honor this time of darkness. And those of you who participate in my lunar yoga community know that I really love to honor the time of the darkness. So usually in lunar yoga, that's the time of the new moon. So a new moon is when you look up in the sky and you don't see the moon there, so it's much darker outside. And the same is with the winter solstice. This is the darkest time of the year. And what these phases in nature's rhythms and cycles, what they're trying to teach us is that in order to be our full, productive, vibrant selves in the summer or during the full moon, we need to take time for ourselves to reflect, to quiet down, to do way, way less, and to turn inwards, to get really clear on what it is that we want, what we want to let go of, and what we want to do, and which direction we want to go in moving forward. So those times of darkness are represented by the season of winter, but especially the winter solstice. And every month we have a little window of opportunity to reflect and dive deep with the time of the new moon. So for this winter solstice meditation, you won't need anything other than yourself, but you might want to have a journal somewhere close by at the end of this just to note down whatever came up for you. And just begin by sitting in a comfortable position, whatever works for your shoulders and for your low back. And just close your eyes so that you can focus in on your breath. So for many of us, this is the time of the year where we start to reflect on the year that we've had, and you might start getting ready to plan the year ahead. So giving yourself full permission to embrace the darkness, to embrace slowing down, turning inwards, and doing less. Ask yourself what it is you want to let go of. And we'll go through and look at this question from 4 different perspectives. So just take a few rounds of breath here, settling into your body a little bit more with every exhale. Letting go of the day you've had, or of anything else that might be on your mind at the moment. The winter solstice is about creating space and clarity. It's very difficult to feel clear and spacious if our mind is constantly chattering and telling us stories. Now bring your awareness to your physical body. When you think of your body, of your vitality, your health, and even your physical reality, what is it that you want to let go of? What would help you feel more balanced in your body? And just be open to the insights which arise in you, contemplating this question in silence and stillness. Now bring your awareness to your heart, focusing on the emotional body. Everything that has to do with the way you relate to others, as well as your ability to care for yourself, to own your feelings, to be compassionate and loving towards all beings, including you. When you think of your emotions, your feelings, and your relationships, what would you like to let go of in order to bring more balance and clarity to this area? What attitude, beliefs, habits, or people are no longer serving you? What do you want to surrender to the darkness as we now move towards the light? Now bring your awareness to your mind. The part of you that is a critical thinker, that relies on intuition, that communicates clearly, solves problems, and really understands things. What is it that you need to feel mentally stimulated? What are some thoughts that you think frequently that no longer serve you? Thinking that is not in your best interest that you would like to let go of, to make room for new, positive, loving thoughts, for example. Consider your mental health. What do you want to surrender to the darkness to make room for the light on a mental level? And we've considered the body, the heart, and the mind. Now consider your soul. Everything that is you, and at the same time isn't really you. Your spirituality, your faith, your connection to something greater than yourself, and your connection to humanity as a whole, to all living beings. What is it that you want to let go of? Moving forward, what would help you feel more balanced and spacious? And just notice what insights arise within you. Please bring your palms together at the front of your heart, Anjali Mudra. Let's close this meditation with one Om, inhaling to chant. Big breath in. Namaste. Thank you so much, yogis, for doing this winter solstice meditation with me. I would love to know how this went for you. And I would encourage you, while this is all still fresh, to grab a journal or just a piece of paper and note down what it is that you want to let go of, what it is that you need moving forward, body, mind, heart, and soul. And if you're looking for something more to really celebrate this winter solstice, last year for the winter solstice, I put together a restorative yoga class for, again, the winter solstice. So if you'd like to spend a little bit more time on your mat, I highly recommend doing that practice. It is extremely nurturing, very nourishing, and honestly wonderful to do anytime during the colder winter months. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. It is a simple way to support free yoga on the internet. Thank you all so very much. Namaste.